Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Snow just hit us again, and now it's time to go out and fire up the ARIENS snowblower. Go have some fun. All right, YouTubers outside the garage now, what we'll do is open up our garage door and show you what we're dealing with today. A lot of snow out there, as you can see. We've got our hands full, but we've got an awesome machine that's going to take care of a lot of that snow. At this point, make sure you go through your before start checklist. There are very important items and things you need to take into consideration before starting this engine. I'm not going to go through it with this video. What I will do is link a video. It is scrolling above now, and that will run you through the important steps of your before start checklist. So from here, we'll get it started. All right, YouTuber, snowblower is back in the garage. We had a lot of fun, as you can see. And one more thing, which is very important, I'm going to make a separate video on how to properly prep your snowblower for short-term storage. And what I will do is I will link that video down below in the comment section as well as the description section. Definitely check that out. It is very important to put your snowblower away properly to alleviate any maintenance malfunctions or issues the next time you pull the snowblower out and start it. So we'll see you at the next video. All right, YouTubers, back inside, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on that YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.